Before solving any questions related with blood relation, let's discuss some key points so that you will find the answer is 100% correct. Right? So, what are the key concepts? The concepts are, the first is gender. First is gender. Second is generation gap. Generation gap. And third concept is tree diagram. Tree diagram. Okay. You solve any questions, no doubt. So you must focus on gender. That means whether the person is the male member or female member. Okay. We basically use plus for the male member, plus sign, and minus for the female member in the tree diagram. Then generation gap. You must think that person is how many generations higher or lower. For example, you and your grandfather with respect to you, how many generations are higher? That means 2 generations. That means your father's father, grandfather, your father 1 generation higher than you. And you and your brother, 0 gap. You and your sister, 0 gap. You and your son, okay, lower generation. For lower generation, we mention -1. Okay. Grandson, -2. So always you think, first of all, which element related to which element. Very basic concept. For example, see, A is father of B. Then B is father of C. Right? How C is related to A? This is question number 1, example 1. A is father of B, B is father of C. How C is related to A? Very fundamental question, easy question also. In this question, you first of all guess which element related to which element. So here C is related to A. Second point, you think what is the gender? First important key point, what is the gender of C? Either a plus member or a minus member. That means it's male member or female member. What is the gender of C? When you confirm the gender of C, you also confirm your answer. Yes or no? If you don't confirm the gender of C, so obviously your answer is a confusing type. Either or type. So very important, always guess which element related to which element. Second point, what is the gender of element C? If it is given that how A related with C, you must guess. That means what is the gender of A? Right? And then you also guess how many generations are higher. That means what is the gap between C and A? That means C is in the higher generation with respect to A or lower generation with respect to A. Okay. So obviously here C is in the lower generation. Yes or no? Because A is the father of B, B is the father of C. Then, so how many generation gap? That means 2 generations below than that of the A. Right. You always remember all these concepts. Okay. And finally, for confirm your answer, you draw the tree diagram. So most important thing is that in case of a puzzles, in case of an indicative type, in case of a coded type of relation, okay, it is very important finally to confirm your answer to draw the tree diagram. Okay, it is very easy way to find your answer, okay, by help of tree diagram, by keeping in your mind the gender and generation gap. Okay, let's start how to draw tree diagram.